In this tutorial, we are going to learn two more data types. One is tuple, another one is set. Let's see how to create and use these data types. Let's begin. Tuple is also similar to list. We can store multiple values in one variable. But there are some differences between list and tuple. First, let's see how to create tuple. Whenever we create a list, we use square bracket. Inside the square bracket, we have to enter the values. This is list. Then how do we create tuple? For that, we have to use round bracket. Inside the round bracket, we have to pass the values. This is tuple. Now we have one list as well as one tuple, but they look similar, right? Actually, they are not similar. Let me tell you how. List is mutable, which means we can change the value of list, and tuple is immutable, which means we cannot change the value of tuple. Let's try it. Let's try to change the value of list. We can change the value of list by doing like this. A square bracket. Here we have to mention the index number of the element which we want to change. For example, we want to change this value 1. So we have to enter 0 because it is located in the index 0. Then we have to assign new value. Let's say 10. We can see now 1 got replaced by 10. So list is mutable. We can change the value of list. Let's change one more value this time. Okay, let's say 20. This time 2 got replaced by 20. So we can change the value of list. Now let's say the same thing in tuple. B square bracket 0 equal to 10. We got error because we cannot change the value of tuple. This is the big difference between list and tuple. Also, we have a lot of inbuilt functions which we can use to modify list. See, append is there, clear, copy, count, extend, index. There are a lot of inbuilt functions. But for tuples, we don't have those functions. We have only count and index because we cannot change anything in tuples. These are the differences between list and tuple. But the big question is, already we have list, then why do we need tuple? Because tuple is faster than list. That's why we need tuples. But why it is faster than list? Because we cannot make any changes in tuples. That's why it is faster than list. Alright, now let's move to set. What is set? Set is also similar to list and tuple, but the difference is set does not follow sequence and set does not accept duplicate values. Now let's see how to create set. Whenever we create a list, we use square bracket, and whenever we create a tuple, we use round brackets. Now we are left with only one bracket, which is curly bracket. Whenever we use curly bracket, it means we are creating a set. Inside the curly bracket, we have to enter the values. I told you set does not follow sequence as well as set does not accept duplicate values. Here I have entered some duplicate values. Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. What happened is it has removed all the duplicate values and it looks like it has sorted all the values. But actually it did not sort the value. Let me show you. I am creating one more set. This time 66, 78, 3, 2, 66 again, 88, 9, 88, 2, 6. Let's see what happens. We got 2, 3, 66 again 6. That's why I told you it does not follow sequence. That's it. That's all about tuple and set. In the next tutorial, we will discuss about dictionary. Alright, see you then.